bring the shoe in. Boom! Welcome back to day 4 of me trying to get this car ready for the wrap. Now before I begin today's episode, let's go ahead and take a look at the bumper to see where we're at before I fully complete it. Hopefully by today. As you can tell, there's not much left to do. This side is pretty much already done, and this side could use a little bit of work. Yeah, it's the right side, okay. I think by the end of the day, hopefully after like 5 hours of sanding, should be done, and tomorrow once Harmon comes over, should be able to primer it too. So yeah, let's go ahead and let's get started. Okie dokie. I feel like every time I do these, I probably should do like a Q&A or something. If you guys have any questions or want to ask me anything, you can go ahead and comment that down below, and you know, I'll go ahead and answer those questions next time I do any sanding work. Let's go ahead and get the sandpaper and the air powered tool thing, compressor. Yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and get everything set up. All right, cool, I got my tools. I think one really funny thing is that when I was working on this, I ordered the wrong sandpaper pads. So the ones that I ordered before were these, and as you can see, it has holes in it. I'm not sure if you can see it through the camera. As you can see, these are the new ones that I ordered, and this is what it was before, so maybe this is why it was taking a little longer than I was expecting. Okay, time for one of the most annoying parts of doing this entire job, turning on the compressor. Oh, Jesus Christ. Gets me every single time. I need my bucket, spray bottle. Ooh, I brought a jacket so I don't get all the purple dust on me. Okay, since I ordered the wrong ones, these smaller pads, I'm gonna use these for hand sanding, which I've already been using them for quite some time for hand sanding because that's the only ones I had. The majority of the other pads will go on this bad boy, the air powered tool. Now, let's let the show begin. Oh shit. Cool. Also, funny story, my trunk kind of broke, I think. My button doesn't work. But when I put in my key, my trunk opens. And I think it only opens at this specific height, which I'm sure is probably a wiring issue that I would probably need to take apart the trunk to look at, but yeah, that kind of sucks. Yeah, old Beamer problems. And another 5 hours later, I think I'm gonna call it a day. Let's go ahead and check out the progress and let's clean up a little bit before I leave, because a lot of paint residue everywhere. This is the progress that we're at so far. And as you can tell, we are just about 99, or not 99, let's just say 95% done. The only thing that's left for me to do, which I believe I should be doing this tomorrow, is going to be hand sanding all the parts, which I can't get with the air power tool. As you can tell, I got a majority of it off. I'm gonna come in closer a little bit. This whole thing used to be red. This is the driver's side, going all the way around. And this is going to be the passenger side. Oops, I totally just hit my wheel. It is currently 11:09. I think I'm gonna call it a day. Yeah, it's been a very long night. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Fuck this thing. The vibration of the air tool keeps making this thing loose. Ugh.